Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been here in like 1,000 years, but I'm back at it again. Well, this is I would say my go-to smoky eye, which has browns and blacks and some shimmer and some matte with bold lashes and a wing liner. So if you'd like to know how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. So first I'm going to prime my face with Maybelline's Master Prime Blur and Smooth 100. I don't know why it says 100. I'm gonna work with it. I'll work it, you know. This is gonna let my foundation, this is going to make my foundation stay. It like makes me foundation stick to my face like really well and stay all day. Next, I'm going to use Maybelline's 104 Golden Beige mixed with L'Oreal's True Match in N2 because I don't know my skin tone, it changes every day. Put it all over my face. I'm going out tonight with a friend to get some drinks, so I need to look nice. So cute. Adorbs. And then you leave it like this and you wait for it to all blur in to your skin. It works every time. Trust me. No, I wish. Actually, I'm going to take this blending brush and just blend it all in because I'm too lazy to use a beauty blender today. So if you want to put your foundation on really quickly, just use a brush and not a beauty blender if you're lazy like me. I think I should have used like a little bit of a darker shade, but okay. I'm gonna like bronze the heck out of my face anyway. I look like a ghost. Hi Casper, how are you? I'm Casper's sister. Wait, but like in the mirror, I do not look this pale. It's just like on camera. I think the camera is a lie. It's a lie. So I'm not gonna like, maybe I should set it a little bit. I'm gonna set it with Kat Von D's loose powder. Loose setting powder, just like a little bit. Next, I'm going to prime my lids with MAC's Painterly Paint Pot. If I can find my damn brush. I go up to my eyebrow because I have a very big eyelid space, so when I blend my colors, I blend a little high, so I like to cover my whole eyelid. So today I'm going to be using these lovely Naked palettes because I think they have the best brown shades. I'm going to mix Naked and Buck for my crease. I'm using the Morphe brush in M504. I'm obsessed with these brushes. I bought the Jaclyn Hill brush palette on the Morphe website and they just blend so well. And it comes with like every single face brush, eye brush, lip brush, concealer brush, everything. I'm gonna put a little Dark Horse in there too. A little bit of a darker brown shade with a I don't think it has shimmer. I think it's from another color that's in here that like went over to it, but it's okay. Next, I'm gonna put Smog on my eyelid. Really pretty brown shade. It's kind of like a caramel. Caramel. And I'm going to do my wing liner with Sephora's liquid liner. Matte. Sephora's the matte liquid liner. Okay. Oh. You can still see like the redness in my eye. It's so sad. shy. Next, I'm going to put a little black in my outer corner to smoke it out a little bit. I should probably use my tweezers, yep. Okay. Carefully push your lashes on, like so. And pray that they don't move. Ooh. Next, I'm gonna put concealer into my eyeball. Oh, Dream Illuminator, the creamy concealer by Maybelline, and put on there, and my forehead. Okay, and I'm gonna take the Holy Benefit bronzer. Treat me like shit. I'm just gonna like put so much bronzer on. Oh god, that doesn't look the best. And just like go with the flow. You know? And then blush, Papa Don't Peach and Sweet Pea. I'll show you. I'm using these two from the Everything Nice Too Faced palette. And I'm going to put Dark Horse, the darkest brown that I used on my eye, under my eyelid. And then I'm gonna put a hint of black. Oh, my contacts. Does anyone else have that problem where you put on makeup and then your contacts start to like, ooh, feel really weird? Because I do. I just didn't know that was the only one. And then I'm gonna put a little, I'm gonna smoke out my wing and put a little of the black eyeshadow over the wing so it looks even more smoky. This is like a new thing I've been doing and I've been like really into it. It makes the makeup look more dramatic, but kind of like softer at the same time. I'm gonna be using Champagne Pop. I just got a new one and I love it. And I'm really like sweaty right now, so I think it's gonna show up even better. Don't forget the lips. I'm just gonna like douse myself in this. I like to hit my inner corner with it too, you know, a little bit. It look nice and gold. And then up here. Lips, so I'm gonna use MAC's lip liner in Whirl to outline my lips. And I'm going to use Tarte's Glossy Lip Paint. This came in the holiday collection. The number on the bottom is F531. I think I'm going to tone it down a little bit with my Rimmel London's Airy Fairy lipstick, which I use in literally like every video. Just like get rid of some of it. And for mascara, I'm going to use Maybelline's Lash Sensational. I never switch my mascara. I use this. I've been using this for probably like a couple years now. I'm obsessed. Ooh. And then you get some on your cheek, and then you can turn it into like a beauty mark. Last but not least, finishing spray. I like to use NYX's Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. If you want even more highlight, right now's the time to do it after the setting spray, because your face is moist. Oh god. Okay. Whew. And this is the finished look. Please leave a comment down below on what you think of my makeup look. And subscribe, like, share with all your friends, all your family members, your boyfriends, your girlfriends, your hubbies, your wifeys, your neighbors, your pets, like everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, I'm burnt. Oh my god. I need to chill. I'm obsessed with Young Thug. Just inhaled it. And then, oh my god, you suck. I don't look like myself, and I love it.